जय श्रीमन्नारायण। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 5th chapter कर्म संन्यास योगम 26th श्लोक। गीताचार्य श्री कृष्ण परमात्मा giving his teachings to each and every one of us, including Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma saying that Arjuna, get freed from material desires, get freed from anger, gain control over your mind, and then engage your mind in thinking about Atma, and also put all your efforts to have a equal vision among all the souls which are existing in all the bodies. Atma Samatvam. If you keep doing like this, self-realization and Brahmanandam, Atmanandam will be very easy for you, and you will be enjoying even while you are existing in this body and after the body. You will be enjoying every time. Like this, Sri Krishna Paramatma giving us an idea to be happy always. Having Krishna Paramatma's teachings running in our thoughts, now let us repeat Sri Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. Kama krodha viyuktanam yatinam yatachetasam abhito brahma nirvanam vartate vijitatmanam. Om. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma says, always think about me. Become my devotee. Keep on performing all your duties as my service. Keep on doing namaskaram to me. Surrender to me alone unconditionally. Mamekam saranam vraja. Do not cry. Ma suchaha. Keep on remembering my teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. Keep on spreading my Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, you will become my most beloved devotee, and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, I shall not cry anymore. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigama kalpataror galitam phalam. Sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam. Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam. Muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantam anupeta mapeta krutyam द्वैपायनो विरहकातर आजुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवो विनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि. नमस्कारं टु नरनारायण चतुर्मुख ब्रह्म सरस्वती देवी व्यासमहर्षि. नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयम् उदीरयेत्. In Srimad Bhagavatam Dvitiya Skandham, Suta Maharshi discoursing to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra giving his teachings to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Chaturmukha Brahma enjoying Srimannarayana's darshanam. Srimannarayana is sitting in a beautiful Adhi Arhaniya Asanam Asthitam, beautiful Simhasanam. Around Srimannarayana there are so many devatas serving him. Around Srimannarayana there are so many wealthy entities. All that wealth is permanent, whereas what the wealth we are enjoying is not permanent. O Parikshin Narendra, such great controller of entire universe, Svayevadhaman Ramamanam Iswaram. Srimannarayana giving his darshanam to Brahma, Brahma is enjoying. With that unlimited happiness, Brahma Ahlada Paripluta Antaro Hrishyat. With so much of overflowing excitement and the happiness, spontaneously happy tears are rolling down to Chaturmukha Brahma. Prema Bhara Asrulochanaha. While that tears are rolling down, Chaturmukha Brahma Nanama Padambujamasya, he is touching the divine feet of Srimannarayana. That feet, all the sages craving to see. That feet, all the great Maharshis meditates upon. That feet, all the sages put all their efforts to attain. Such great feat is now touched by 4 heads of Chaturmukha Brahma. He put his 4 heads on that divine feet of Srimannarayana. Then Srimannarayana Priyah Priyam Pritamanaha. He is now touching Chaturmukha Brahma with all of his grace. Paramatma touching Chaturmukha Brahma with Pani Pankajamun Hari Ajuni Dehamantuchun. With his divine hands, Paramatma is touching Chaturmukha Brahma. Paramatma is showing his anugraham upon Chaturmukha Brahma because Chaturmukha Brahma is engaged in the activity which is given by Paramatma. Because Chaturmukha Brahma following the orders are given by Paramatma. Because Chaturmukha Brahma has devotion towards Paramatma. That is why Paramatma is now touching Chaturmukha Brahma with softly and with all of his grace and kataksham, and Paramatma now saying to Chaturmukha Brahma like this. What Paramatma is going to say, we will listen tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Slokas from Mukundamala Stotram. Tattvam Bruvanani Paramparasmat మధుక్షరంతీవ సతాం ఫలాని ప్రావర్తయ ప్రాంజలిః అస్మి జిహ్వే నామాని నారాయణ గోచరాణి. కృష్ణో రక్షతు నో జగత్రయగురుః కృష్ణం నమస్యామ్యహం. కృష్ణే నామరశత్రవో వినిహతాః కృష్ణాయ తస్మై నమః. కృష్ణాదేవ సముత్థితం జగదిదం కృష్ణస్య దాసోऽస్మ్యహం. కృష్ణే తిష్టతి విశ్వమేతదఖిలం హే కృష్ణ సంరక్ష మాం. శ్రీమద్భగవద్గీత 5th చాప్టర్ 26th శ్లోక. కామక్రోధవియుక్తానాం యతీనాం యతచేతసాం అభితో బ్రహ్మనిర్వాణం వర్తతే విజితాత్మనాం. కామక్రోధవియుక్తానాం యతీనాం యతచేతసాం అభితో బ్రహ్మనిర్వాణం వర్తతే విజితాత్మనాం. శ్రీమన్నారాయణ కరిష్యే వచనం తవ. సర్వం శ్రీకృష్ణార్పణమస్తు. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.